All right, Mark, let's get things rolling. Welcome to this month's Industry 30 with 3M. Today's presentation is on 3M's construction services, and I'm happy to have Mark Maskus, Deanne Rutledge, Jeff Darby, and Jeff Zahner on the call today. This presentation will be recorded and uploaded to the chapter's website, and I'll also share Mark's contact information at the end if you need anything. I appreciate everybody dialing in. With that, I'm going to turn it over to Mark. Thank you.
Thanks, Rob. Really appreciate it. So today we'll be going over 3M's construction services. I'll tell you all a little bit about how that works, and then we'll also discuss our online learning platform called Energy Academy. So like Rob said, my name is Mark Maskus, and I'm part of the C&I end user sales team for the 3M Electrical Markets Division. I've been with 3M for almost 4 years now. Before joining 3M, I worked for Tesla, primarily in their solar and battery storage division, but also got to work with their EVs as well. My wife, Kendall, and I, we have a son who is turning 2 next week and a baby daughter on the way in about 3 weeks. So I'll be kind of have my hands full for some time. So that's a little bit about me. And again, I just want to thank everyone for joining today and anybody who will be watching this in the future. We really appreciate your time. So like I said, today I'm going to talk about a program we have called Construction Services. I'm going to get into all the details shortly, but first we want to first uncover a few reasons why 3M thought it was important to design a program like this for you all. So here on this slide, you'll see some of the common challenges that you all face on any project. So construction projects face tight schedules, delays due to various factors. Another one, modular construction. It does provide benefits, but it also presents a lot of challenges in transportation, logistics, and coordination. Constructability, which is the ability of a project to be built efficiently and effectively, requires a large experienced team to address any issues that come up along the way. Compliance with regulations and obtaining necessary permits can be complex. Material and labor costs can significantly impact projects as well. Safety, very critical, and a failure to prioritize safety can lead to serious accidents and injuries. So safety plan that addresses all potential hazards along with an experienced team trained in safety procedures is a must. And lastly on here, the shortage of labor, skilled labor in the construction industry can impact timelines and cost. So investments in training and development programs, along with exploring alternative construction methods that require less on-site labor, is crucial to overcome this challenge. So with all these challenges in place that you're facing day to day, the last thing that you want to have to do is worry about the reliability of your medium voltage cable accessories, which brings me to my next slide, and that's some of the issues that are affecting the reliability of medium voltage cable accessories. So workmanship is important to ensure that the accessory is installed correctly. The installation steps need to be followed very carefully to avoid any issues. The way the accessory is delivered to the cable can also impact reliability, as can tolerance and product design. Environmental factors like extreme temperatures or moisture levels can also affect reliability, as well as the materials used in the accessory. So having the right training and support in place can help ensure that accessories are installed and even maintained correctly. 3M can help improve the reliability of medium voltage cable accessories by providing material expertise, technical support, failure analysis, our construction services program, which I'll get into the details in just a moment, and on-site training. So what is construction services that I keep talking about? So construction services is a complementary service that 3M offers to customers for projects that involve medium voltage terminating or splicing. There's no extra charge for or markup for this service. Construction services can help ensure that projects are completed efficiently and accurately, which can save time and money. And here are just some of the types of medium voltage accessories that I'm referring to. From left to right, what you see is we have splices, we have separables, including both 600 and 900 amp dead break. We also have 200 amp load breaks that fall under that. And then, of course, your terminations. So the objective of construction services is to provide an economical and efficient solution to our customers' medium voltage accessory needs, make the jobs easier and improve reliability. So by offering these services, we hope to earn our customers' business and show them the benefits of working with us. We also aim to assess and improve the medium voltage skill level of our customers' installers, which can lead to better outcomes and fewer issues down the line. So what are the benefits of 3M Electrical Construction Services? So the benefits of using this program include early project engagement that helps meet your construction timeline, custom kits that provide exactly what you need for the job, which will reduce material and labor costs, and delivering the right products for each application. And this increases the reliability and reducing any quality issues that could come up. All right, so included in this is a nice slide to kind of give you the whole overview. So included in 3M Construction Services are custom takeoffs, complete kits, custom labeling, direct on-site shipping, complimentary on-site installation support, training, and free ongoing tech support as well. So we'll create a detailed medium voltage takeoff based on your documentation to meet your project application requirements. We have a team of dedicated experts doing takeoffs for customers like yourselves across the country. Here in the Northeast, we have a product technician. His name is Rob Kudla. He has over 30 years experience doing takeoffs and installations. And depending on the size of the job, we can usually have turnaround time of about 1 to 3 days for your preliminary takeoff portion of this program. So moving on to the complete kits, we'll assemble high quality kits at our certified plant and include the lugs and other hardware. So everything that you need is packed into one box and it's ready to go. We'll custom label your kits, which helps save time and on-site by labeling the boxes to correspond with their location on the job site, right there on the box. And this allows you to get the right product to the right place, especially if it's a large job spread out. And this will eliminate any errors in that way. We also provide direct on-site shipping. We provide complimentary on-site installation support, training, certification, just to ensure that your installation is done correctly the first time. And there's also free ongoing tech support with a team of engineers who provide solutions quickly and easily to ensure that your job stays on track, on time, and on budget. All right, so how does this work? So digging in here, the first thing that we will need is to know and to understand your time frame. So once we know when the products are needed on site and when you will start terminating, Once that is established, we'll ask you to provide some of the following information, such as the medium voltage one-line drawing, the cable schedule, the cable cut sheets, and a contact person, which we can go back and forth with any questions that we need answered. So this is sort of what the preliminary medium voltage takeoff kit will look like. As you see here, customer on the left-hand side, the customer provides this information here about the equipment, location, the voltage, any relevant information that they have. This was provided to us at the beginning. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see that 3M's delivered solutions. So you'll have the preliminary kit numbers, quantities, and any notes associated with that particular connection. And some of you may notice that those, if you've used 3M kits before, that those kit numbers look a little bit longer. That's because they have a suffix at the end of it that identifies other items, other hardware, lugs, connectors that will be coming in that custom kit for you. And that's how we identify that. Okay, so, and at the end of the day, your preliminary kit summary, like I said, you'll have the part numbers, you'll have all the counts, all the quantities, any notes there, and we provide that to our contact person within your company, along with some written assumptions, issues, items that need clarification, and then again, any preferences that you have, even, you know, whether that's on delivery or anything at all, really. And after the issues have been resolved, we'll provide you with the final takeoff and the final kit summary. So during the process, there are several typical questions that may need to be addressed. So for example, if you have a 3-conductor cable and we'll need to determine, let's say, first of all, if it's armored or non-armored. If it's armored, whether there's a MC type gland, cable gland fitting, and if that will be used. Any space issues that can be a concern, especially with 3-conductor applications. We might need to ask equipment shop drawings to avoid any costly installation problems. Skirted versus non-skirted, outdoor versus indoor terminations. We'll also need to discuss that as well. And the splice location, splice type, external grounding, connection types for the 5 kV motor. These are all things that we may have questions on, and that's why it's good to have an open line of communication between us and the designated contact person for your project. If we discover any discrepancies in the data, we'll list those for the customer's review. And to ensure that everything is accurate and up to date, we'll keep very good track of the communications back and forth. And again, I'm just putting this slide up here just for another glance after I've reviewed the program for you to see exactly what you get in this program. One thing I would like to highlight before moving on to the final segment here is the complimentary on-site installation support and training. Supplementary to that, we also have an online learning platform with about 60 or 70 robust courses, electricity courses, energy courses in there that we recommend that your installers or anybody really watch before the training, and then they'll have access to it ongoing 24/7 after the training. And what this is our 3M Energy Academy. So like it says here, 24/7 access from your computer, from your tablet, from your mobile phone. And as if your organization chooses to, you can set up a custom curriculum and choose the specific courses that you want to include in there, and the email addresses and the names of the folks within your organization that you would like to take those courses, and keep track of if they got it done, if they completed the knowledge check at the end, what score they got, beginning date, end date, or beginning time, end time. So some of the courses include, things from, basics of electricity. We have some 100 and 200 level medium voltage courses, failure analysis, cable preparation, and then some higher 300 level courses as well. In addition to the electricity, the energy, we also have a safety section within there, as well as a fire stop or fire barrier section as well. And this is kind of what it looks like on the computer, on your phone. You can get it on the tablet. It's very mobile friendly. There's a QR code that I have up on the screen there that should take you right to it, but it's pretty easy to remember. You can just go to 3m.com/Energy Academy, or you can just Google 3M Energy Academy, and should take you right to it. And I will reiterate that it is free to anybody to sign up. You just go in there, you click on register, and it's going to ask you for your email address and a password, and it'll have you answer a few questions, and then it'll let you right in. Again, just some of the benefits of Energy Academy to supplement your in-person training. And that is all we have for you folks today. Again, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, not necessarily just on medium voltage, but on any low voltage applications, tapes, specialty tapes, anything, any product that 3M has, don't hesitate to call me. I am your electrical rep for this area, and I would be happy to help you and assist you. That's all.
All right, Mark. Thank you. That was a great presentation. Really appreciate your time there. I also know that you have been giving classes to our journeymen and apprentices at our local training centers. So I really want to thank you for that. They've been getting great reviews, and they're learning a lot. So really, really thank you for helping us there.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it. So with that, we're going to conclude. I do want to give a shout out to our next Industry 30 on June 1st, which is going to be giving an update on the 2023 NECA convention in Philadelphia. So we hope you all can join us then. With that being said, everybody have a great day, and we'll catch you next month. Thank you.
Thank you.